Do you dread cleaning your stinky trash cans? If so, you're not alone. Washing a stinky bin that's full of harmful germs is one of the most unpleasant and sickening of household chores. And that's why homeowners prefer to pay a professional to wash their bins for them. And the results? Yeah, they're great. Your bins are sanitized and clean. Certainly worth the 20. But unfortunately, as soon as you reuse your freshly washed bins, they once again get covered in dirt and grime and begin to give off those nasty odors. Now, I don't know about you, but that infuriates me. I want my bins to stay clean for as long as possible. It feels like all that time, effort, and money put into maintaining it was a complete waste. Now, wouldn't it be great if we could stop our trash cans from getting dirty? Imagine your bin staying clean, even when you throw in gross and nasty things. And that's precisely what BagEZ, the world's first multi-purpose trash bag holder, does. BagEZ keeps your bins clean and eliminates the need for having your trash cans washed regularly. BagEZ does this by preventing filth, grime, and foul odors from sticking to your bin. You can now keep your bins clean and looking like new without washing them, using harmful chemicals, or hiring a cleaning service. And because the results are immediate, you can really see and smell the difference. So, how does BagEZ work? Most of us use bags as bin liners because they are made to resist tears and punctures. They make waste easy to manage and move and lock foul odors inside the bag while it's sealed. But the main reason we love and use trash bags is because they act as a barrier and stop trash from touching, sticking, and covering our bins in filth, which only creates extra work that none of us want. It's these features that make trash bags the perfect solution to keep our outdoor trash cans clean. But sadly, trash bags are not made to fit over the large opening of our outdoor trash cans. And that's where BagEZ comes. Clip on any plastic, compostable, or biodegradable bag onto your BagEZ holder and hang it in your bin. BagEZ holds your bags open and creates a storage space where you can discard any of your household waste or nasty liquids that can coat your bin in grime and filth and make it stink. If nothing dirty touches your bin, nothing dirty stinks. It's that easy. So, we often get asked, where do you throw your other trash then? Hanging your bag leaves the entire door portion of your trash can free. Use the large opening that's next to your BagEZ frame to throw in clean and bulky items such as broken boxes and anything else that you know will not create a sticky mess inside your container. Before placing your bin at the curb for your weekly trash pickup, pull off the clips, let your bag fall, and you seal it to lock everything nasty inside and put your BagEZ frame away. Now, when the garbage truck comes by and empties your trash, because nothing really sticks to your bin, you have a clean container sitting on your driveway. Imagine this happening every time your residential waste collection happens. Now here's a cool hygiene improving trick. We recommend giving the insides, the rim, and lid of your bin a few sprays of any store-bought antibacterial disinfectant to kill harmful germs. Before clipping on a new bag to BagEZ and putting it back to work, protecting your trash can. At BagEZ, making waste management easy for you is all we do. Try BagEZ today and experience the benefits yourself.